right?
Mm-hmm.
48 Laws of Power. And then have you heard of 50 Cent, the singer 50 Cent?
Yes.
If you are interested in that, I want to understand what that person is thinking, if he's lying or not lying. How do I get credit for
Mhm.
my work? How do I get done my work?
Yes, I have read one means on social media. I don't know whether it is correct or not. And the
So I was, what should I Google about Bruce Lee that would help me understand how his brain works? Hi Rakesh, good
I am
afternoon.
ma'am. How are you? Good afternoon. Good afternoon. How are you?
I am doing good. I'm doing good.
Okay.
I believe you had an interview last time we connected. Do you remember?
Yes, yes, yes,
Did
yes,
you
yes.
not have an interview?
Yes, yes. Last time, that
How
was
was
the
it?
interview. It was fine.
Was it good? Okay.
Yes, yes. It was good.
And why did you say fine?
Not that much good, but fine.
And how was the
You
experience?
remember? It was a really great experience. They like as I started speaking, so he was only one guy interview. He was only one interviewer. Sorry. So he started. He just asked me about myself, and after that he asked me about my hometown. So I spoke about that for 2 to 3 minutes, and after that, as he asked me questions, so he was so impressed. But after that, he just because I don't have that much experience in teaching. I just taught to like school students. So he told me because you don't have enough experience, so you could have more experience, and after that you can try. So I told him like, okay, no problem. Mm. But overall, it
Oh,
was
I
great
see.
experience. Yes, because they had like they didn't have like any syllabus. I had to pick any kind of syllabus, and after that I have to teach their students by myself as an English trainer. So that is what he told me. I said no problem, okay. So overall, it
Oh,
was good experience, but not that much. But no problem, I will try again with that.
okay. And then what did you plan afterwards? After the interview, what did you think and what did you do next?
I have been just working to improve myself. I just attend session
Okay.
on this platform as well as few other platforms. So I just practice. Mm.
Oh, I see. And how has the experience been on Clapingo? Do people say
On
that,
plat-
okay, you're speaking nice, or do they still give you feedback?
yes, they speak. They tell me that I am speaking quite well. But apart from that, I also get feedback from other experts.
What did you
Like
get? What did you
nowadays,
give? What?
yes, yes, feedback. Like if there is
Oh,
any grammatical error, so I get feedback. So normally I just feel like not uncomfortable, but sometimes I not subconsciously make mistakes with the preposition. Otherwise, like
oh,
I speak well. Yes, as you also told
okay.
me about in previous session. Mm.
What did I say?
About like as in like feedback as a feedback, you told me that I make mistakes with the preposition. Yeah.
Ah, okay, okay. So I believe we have been talking for like 4 minutes. So far, I have
Mhm.
not noticed any error. So I believe that's a progress. If I gave
Yeah.
you any feedback the last session, so I think this is a good
Mhm.
progress. Do you continue
Yes.
to read, Rakesh?
Yes, I read. I read. I read articles on Ingo Daily News, and apart from that, sometime I also read books. So there is
Okay,
a
are
one
you
book.
it?
Its name is Limitless. So I started reading that book.
I've heard of the book. However, I have never got the chance to read it. What is it about?
I can show you. This is the book. Can you see it? Limitless.
Okay, by
Yes.
Jim Quick.
Jim Quick. Yes, by Jim Quick. So you can read it, and
And
it
what
will
is
be
it
really good.
about?
It is about how means like it is about author as Quick's past life as like he was in school, so he was not that great good student. So he faced. Can you hear me? Are you able to?
Yes, I
Okay, no.
can hear you.
Yes, yes. So
Yes.
it is about his past life in like school life, as he was not that good student. So again and again he was getting complaint, and his like parents asked to come to meet teachers and principal. So it was about like his past experience, his past life, and how he improved and became. Once like there was a fire in his school, and like he went there, and he like got brain injury in his mind. So after that he was not able to even think correctly, and his brain could not think enough. And after that like he met one of his like his friend's father, and started reading books. So till that I have read, and I have got till third chapter. So I have completed two chapters, and that was till that I have read. So if I get
Okay.
ahead, definitely I will tell you what happens.
Yes. Yes. I don't think I'm on any books. So I've downloaded a lot of books. One of my
Mm,
favorite authors is Robert Greene, and he
Robert
has
Greene,
written about.
I have
Yes.
heard, but I
Have
don't
you
know which
heard
book.
of him?
I have,
Yeah.
sorry, I have
So
heard
he's
about
one
that.
of my favorites.
Robert
Yes.
Jim. Okay,
Green,
Green.
green. Yes.
Which book has he written?
Yes. He has written, I guess, 4 to 5 books so far. One's called 48 Laws of Power, right?
Mm-hmm.
48 Laws of Power. And then have you heard of 50 Cent, the singer, 50 Cent, the
50
American
Cent.
singer, 50 Cent?
No, ma'am. I think I have heard about
Okay.
one music. 50. It is not about 56. I have to check it. I am not
There is
sure
a
about
singer
that.
called, and yes,
Sorry.
so Robert Greene
Mm-hmm.
studied 50 Cent, and with him, he wrote 50th Law of Power.
Okay.
And then this other book called 33 Strategies of War. 33
30
Strategies
strategies
of
of.
War.
Oh,
Yes. There are two more books. I don't remember.
no. I
Something with
would just
mind.
search
It's
it on Google. No problem.
yes, yes. You should
No problem.
definitely try to read that book if you are interested in psychology and developing your
Mm-hmm.
psychological power over others.
Yes.
If you are interested in that I want to understand what that person is thinking, if he's lying or not lying, how do I get credit for
Mm-hmm.
my work, how do I get done my work, like that.
And
And it,
I have like sorry, complete, no problem.
no, no, please continue.
Okay. Yes, I have read one, means on social media. I don't know whether it is correct or not. And the people who know psychology, he he or she gets progress means fastly or
Yes,
fast.
I think so too. I think so too. Psychologists or people who have minored or majored in psychology, they tend to change themselves according to people
Hmm.
around them.
One advice
Great
I would like to
manipulation.
give. Yes, yes.
Yes.
Bruce Lee is also this graduated from psychology. He was also a psychology student. So
Who?
he Bruce Lee. I think you must have heard
Yes.
about him.
Yes, yes, yes. The fighter.
All know. We all know. Yeah, he is fighter. And apart from fighter, we all are aware that he is a fighter. He was a fighter, but he was a psychology student, and he
Oh,
found Jeet Kondo and so many things in a fighter. And if you read his quote, I would challenge you like you would become his die-hard fan. I challenge you.
okay. Okay.
Because it is practical based, not just like a theoretical, just for the sake of writing. Yes, first I was just I know like I knew first like he was a fighter, and he means some people speak about him. But as I came to know, I started reading his quotes, and as I was attending one classes, so here I came to know about him more, and I got one and two more quotes about him, and after that I started reading his quote. I searched about him on Google, and after that I came to know about different quotes. One of quote I really want to share is. Life itself is your teacher and you are in the way of constant learning. So it is a simple, like life itself is your teacher and you are in the way of constant learning. It is a simple, but if you get more quotes about him, I don't fear the man who has practiced one kick, 10,000 kicks once, but I fear that man who has practiced one kick 10,000 times. So yeah,
Yes, I've heard of this quote.
great. Yes, yes. So that is great.
Oh,
I mean, mm. And
okay. So he was a
to the yeah,
yes, yes.
psychologist student, one I also like to share. It is to the hell with the circumstances. To the hell with the circumstances, I create opportunity. That is also great.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. So
People
what
just
can I?
complain.
What?
Yes,
Yes.
please go on.
So I was on. What should I Google about Bruce Lee that would help me understand how his brain works? What should I
Yes.
Google?
No, his brain works. It is different aspect. I would not suggest that. But if you want to know about if you want to know about his quotes, so you can search it on Google just by typing like Bruce Lee quotes. So you will get so many quotes of him.
Okay. Okay.
Mhm.
Uh, I've got some 6 minutes before the session ends. Can we go through your feedback?
Yes, ma'am, definitely. Please.
Yes. So first thing, Rakesh, it's not quotes, it's quotes.
Quotes. Sorry,
Who
sorry. Please.
quotes? So you pronounce it as quotes, right?
Quote.
You
Do
pronounce
you?
quote as quotes,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Yes.
It's
Quotes.
actually pronounced as quotes.
Oh, quotes. Mm.
Okay, quotes.
Okay.
So Bruce Lee quotes. Quotes.
Mm. Mm-hmm.
Okay.
Okay,
First
understood.
thing. Moving ahead, there were some subconscious mistakes again. For example, if we were talking about Bruce Lee, and you said some people speaks about him.
Mm-hmm.
Some people speak
Speak.
about him.
Speak.
Yes. You
Mm.
also mentioned he got brain injury. I don't remember the context. We were talking about someone. You said he got brain injury. We
Yes.
never usually say that he got injury. We always say that he suffered from this injury.
Okay, suffered. Suffered, I
Yes.
told you.
He suffered from brain injury during this time, during that time.
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
Okay. You
Okay.
can say you can say he got brain injury. That is grammatically correct, contextually wrong. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Because you don't get an injury, you suffer from it
Yes,
technically.
understood. By third party,
Yes?
we get something. Like I get stuck, I get there. So it is something like subconsciously or it is not done by us.
Yes.
We suffer it. Yes.
Correct. With time you will yes, with exposure to language, with time you'll also understand the contextual usages. Moving
Mm-hmm.
ahead, you
Understood.
said I have got till third chapter, right? So
Mm-hmm.
it
I got.
sounds like you are about to get something. So there are 10 chapters or 10 boxes that you are supposed to get. Up until now, you have got the third box. You're waiting
Mm-hmm.
for other boxes. Your
Mm-hmm.
sentence is again grammatically correct.
Mm.
However, you do not get the third chapter. You reach to the
Complete.
third chapter.
Or either I
Yes,
can say I completed third chapter
I've
or
com-
I completed. Mm,
I've
yes.
completed till the third chapter, or I have reached the third chapter so far.
Mm-hmm.
Yes. So these are
Mm.
few contextual errors that you make. I believe that gets better with exposure to the language. The more
Yes.
you read, the more you'll realize that okay, this is how the words work.
Mm.
Secondly, your subconscious mistakes remain. However, there was only one mistake that you made today. So
Mm.
that's, I think it will get better. I don't think you need to work any extra for it. One thing
Mm.
I still find in your speech is your fillers. As if you
Okay.
still think of the word to bring into the context and add to your sentences.
Yes.
You subconsciously, or maybe at the time of speaking, you forget what you're talking about and then immediately bring your attention back and you're like, okay, okay, now I'm talking about this. Either
Mm-hmm.
that, or maybe at times you momentarily forget the word that you have to use,
Yes. Yes.
right?
It is about
For
word.
that,
Don't give context. Yes. I was talking about this topic and that, but it is about words. Yes. Sometimes I
yes.
still think about that.
So if you want to get rid of fillers, if you want to get better,
Mhm.
and since you said you're already an avid reader, you should try a
Mhm.
paraphrasing activity.
Yes.
Every time you
Yes.
read
I
two
have.
paragraphs,
Mhm.
paraphrase it into other sentences or other words.
Yes. Yes. I
Do
do.
you do that?
Yes. I do.
Okay, I think that will get, if you do that continuously, I believe in another 30, 40 days, your mind will reach to a point where you're able to think faster.
Mhm. Even I will get that means I will reach there. Even after that, if I stop practicing like that, I don't think I would means I would sustain with that. I will have
You have
to
to continue.
practice constantly. Yes, I have to practice constantly because you mentioned about 30, 40 days. Once I have been practicing, I can't say like I don't practice. I have been practicing and randomly, like sometimes I paraphrase, sometimes I listen and start speaking by myself. But when I get topic and start by myself, and when I speak in front of you or any other people, so it is different aspect and scenario. So that it happens. Yeah.
It will get better. If you're continuing with your exercise, it will get better eventually. You're already a great speaker. The fillers basically and contextual errors, and they're very minor
Mm-hmm.
errors. They're not very huge as well.
Yes, yes.
See,
Ma'am, what happens? It is a language, and sometimes we think like I have to speak like this. I have to frame sentence like in this manner. But in meanwhile, I think no, I should not go with this. And instead of that frame, like if I go with this framing with this sentence, it would be okay. So sometimes it also happens with me. But as I practice more, earlier I used to practice for 4 to 5 hours, but nowadays I don't practice that much because of some other tasks. So yeah, it happens, no problem. I will get it, will get read with that soon. Yes,
yes, yes. I think the session will end in few seconds, Rakesh. So I
yes,
wish
yes.
you
Yes.
all the best for the rest of the day, and I'll see you
Thank
again
you so
whenever
much.
it's possible.
Yes, thank you so
Yes,
much, ma'am. Yes.
yes.
Bye, bye,
Bye, Rakesh. Take care.
bye. Thank you.